Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Ledger. First, ensure your Ledger device is initialized and connected to your computer. You will need the Ledger Live application installed, which acts as your gateway to managing your digital assets. This process is straightforward and ensures your device is ready for secure transactions. Having your device updated to the latest firmware is crucial for optimal security and functionality. Let's get started with the setup. Once Ledger Live is open, head to the Manager section. Here, you can install the necessary cryptocurrency applications directly onto your Ledger device. For example, if you plan to buy Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. This step is vital because your Ledger needs the specific application to interact with that particular blockchain. Always confirm the installation directly on your Ledger device for security. Now, navigate to the Buy/Sell tab in Ledger Live. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire and choose from the integrated third-party service providers. Enter the amount you want to spend, perhaps $100, and follow the prompts. You will likely need to complete a quick identity verification process with the chosen provider. This ensures compliance and security for your transaction, typically taking just a few minutes to complete. After entering your details, carefully review the transaction summary presented in Ledger Live. Crucially, you must also verify these details directly on your Ledger hardware wallet screen. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction by pressing both buttons on your Ledger device. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency will then be securely sent directly to your Ledger account, providing you with full ownership and control over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.